Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can take print in Excel. Printing your Excel spreadsheet correctly is essential for presenting your data in a professional and organized manner. So let's get started.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
This is the sheet that we are going to use to learn how we can take print in Excel. And for taking print, we have to go to the file and then print. And we can see in the print preview that it is not in the correct form. So first we have to make settings and then we have to take the print. How we can do settings? Let's learn it. To make changes in the print, we have to go to the page layout, and in the page layout we will go to the bottom right corner and click this arrow. When we click this arrow, page setup will be open, and in the page setup first we will select the landscape instead of the portrait. After selecting this, we will check the print preview. In the preview, you can see that a little bit more information is added, but the whole information is not displayed still. So what we will do, we have to make some more changes. And now again I am opening the page setup, and in the page setup I am going to reduce this size. So I reduce this to 70, and now checking the print preview, still you can see that a little bit information is left. So again I will reduce this size, and now checking the print preview, now you can see that the whole information is displayed on the single sheet. Now another thing to notice in this print preview is that as we move to the second sheet, the headers are not there, so the information is not correctly displayed. So we want our headers to be here in the second page also. For doing this, you have to do a little bit changes. For this purpose, again you have to go to the page layout, and in the page layout we have the print tiles. In the print tile we have rows to repeat at the top. So we will select the rows that we want to repeat in our document. So after selecting it, just checking the print preview, and now you can see that when we move to the second page, the headers are still intact in the second sheet. Another thing to notice in this print preview is that the margin of this document is not correct. So we'll go to the page setup and now set the margins. Now in this page setup, we'll go to the margin, and you can see that the different margins are set differently. So we'll set them to 1. We have set margins, but still the document is not in the middle of the sheet. So what we'll do next, in the margins we will check this center on the page horizontally and vertically, and then press this OK. And now we'll check this print preview, and now you can see that the print is in the middle of the sheet. Now I will tell you how you can add a page number in your worksheet. So what you have to do is to go in page layout. In page layout, just click the bottom right corner arrow, go to the page setup, and in the page setup, now go to the header and footer. You can see in header we can select the page number in different formats, and in footer we can also select the page number in different format. I am going to select this format and then clicking this OK. Now when I check this print preview, now you can see that the page number is added at the bottom with the format that I choose in the list. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to print in Excel. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tutorials and tips. And as always, feel free to leave any question or suggestion in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy printing.